60 Seconds Property Sense by Janet Becker.
Today I want to quickly explain what a COC is when buying or selling property. A COC or Certificate of Compliance is an electrical safety certificate issued by a qualified electrician. It confirms that the property's electrical installation complies with South African safety regulations at the time of the inspection. During the inspection, the electrician checks things like the distribution board, circuit breakers, earth leakage, plug points, switches, wiring condition, and overall electrical safety. They also look for exposed wiring or anything considered unsafe or non-compliant. If problems are found, repairs usually needs to be done before the certificate can be issued. It is important to remember that a COC does not mean that the electrical system is brand new. It simply confirms that it is compliant and reasonably safe on the inspection date. And in most property transfers in South Africa, a valid COC is required before registration can take place. Let me guide you home.